Our experts this evening answering your Twitter questions. We're goofballs, that's for sure. Leading the charge is Ryan Davidson. You don't want to know
first
what we
Twitter
were talking
question
about.
of the night
You
comes
just
from
don't
Bruce.
want to know.
Thank you, Bruce.
All right, Bruce, bail us out of this, my boy. All right, good day, and thanks for your service. Are you still naming winter storms many storms since Goliath, but no names? We are still naming winter storms, Bruce. The thing about it is it has to meet a very specific criteria for us to name a storm, and the recent storms we've had haven't done that.
Yeah, they have not done that yet. It's based on National Weather Service watches and warnings that have been issued. And help me on the numbers here. I think it's like at least 400,000 square kilometers.
Yes.
And then 2 million people under winter weather advisories or warnings. So, and one or both of those could be met in order for us to name.
Yeah, and it's really important that we talk about that because there are these benchmarks that have to be hit. It's not like we're just picking it out of a hat or something like that. You know, there's actually a really long paper that Tom has on this. He's gone through a lot of work to do this.
And Tom knows our winter weather expert, sending us updates. His most recent email update saying a 6 out of 10 chance that the next storm that's coming could be named. So we're just watching it right now to see how it plays out. All right, next, Ryan.
Next one is coming in from Mindy.
All right, Mindy asking, isn't there going to be an upgrade to GFS this year? I swear I heard something about it. When can we expect it? Thanks, Mindy.
There was an upgrade to the GFS this year, and it's got a lot more computing power. It's still not quite as good as the European model. You know, the European model has really integrated research and operations, and the reason why they can do that is because they charge a lot of money for their products, which the Americans don't do. NOAA does not do that. Everything is free, and so they can really afford to put a lot more into it. So we're not quite with the Europeans yet,
and
but we're trying.
supercomputer came online in October,
yes, just a few months ago. Exactly right.
So we're gonna get the fruits of that. We're getting it now.
Yes.
So
hopefully.
Well, they have to test some of it first, right? Don't they?
I believe so.
There's a little wiggle room in there.
There's still data simulations
when we get the real good stuff. So it won't be long though. Things are always getting better. Time for one more?
We're done.
We're done. All right. Sorry, everybody. Sorry about that.
All right, time now.
It is. I don't think they're going to be worth the whole heck of a lot.
No, it is.
I think you're going to lose.
It's going to be a big game.
What were we whispering about, by the way?
I like to whisper too.
Don't give away our secrets.
I don't know what we were talking about.
Secrets.
I think they were like, you're talking about.
Keith, we're just talking about you.
I think Keith has a little complex.
We'd like to end the show talking about what we learned on the show, because we try to learn something every day on the show. For me, it was lunar halo from Dave Schwartz, the 22-degree halo caused by 6-sided ice crystals, and the 9-degree halo caused by 3-sided ice crystals.
I didn't know that either.
I also had a Dave Schwartz factoid about the EF4 tornado in Allendale, Illinois on this day. Really interesting.
All right, our viewers this evening have learned something as well. Ryan, we have a...
Gabe actually learned something tonight.
Hey, Gabe.
Gabe, I learned that parts of Arizona get more snow annually than Boston.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's a fantastic stat from our one and only Keith Carson.
I learned tonight that the conveyor belts are all really, really super important to the development of a winter storm and even a mid-latitude cyclone. It was just a very detailed explanation, Carl.
I learned something from Michael Lowry today. I didn't realize there were that many name systems in January. I remember one or two, but not many.
Yeah, we looked that up earlier. I was surprised as well. Mine was also from Carl's lab, you know, when he was talking about the warm air that's advected ahead of those snow systems. You know, we have that isentropic lift where these air parcels, they want to rise on a surface of constant density, and they kind of lift and get wrapped back in there. So it's just very cool. You love the intricate process.
They want to follow their density. Yes.
I mean,
my density, yeah.
I learned that Alex is wearing Squaw Valley Blue.
Yes.
Very nice.
That's right, yes.
I learned that a college professor could actually teach during a flash flood in the classroom.
Is that a world record? Probably
amazing.
like highest flood waters ever taught in.
But best professor or worst ever? Because you know everybody else was like, can we just cancel this class?
Worst.
Yeah. So too.
And I learned that it could be 40 below in Arizona at this time.
The record coldest temperature.
Crazy
they've ever had.
cold.
Well, thank you all for being active participants on